Hello, these are rainbow loom bracelets and I'm going to show you how to create one with a Clicky Charm. This is a Clicky Charm and this video will show you how to use it. It is very simple and it makes your bracelets, necklaces and rings look great. So you take your bracelet, you take one part of the Clicky Charm and you see where you want that charm to go. You simply push one piece of the Clicky Charm through your project. Then you take the other piece and snap it together. It's going to click and look just like that. Now we're going to decorate it. I'm going to use this sticker. I bought this sticker at Michael's. You can get them in many different colors and shapes. They come in a box like that, but you can use any sticker that you like. I'm going to decorate my bracelet with this sticker. Now just press the sticker on the Clicky Charm and it's going to look just like that. So I just turned an ordinary bracelet into an extraordinary bracelet and it looks beautiful. I want to show you what I did. I also used different stickers to the Clicky Charms. They look beautiful. Kids love them. This is a very fun soccer ball. I used this one for my son's necklace. He loved it. And another thing I like about the Clicky Charms is that they come apart just like that. So you can reuse them. And use them in your rainbow loom bracelets or any other project that you have. You can be as creative as you like. I hope you like this video and you can get your Clicky Charms at clickycharm.com or at your local craft store. Thank you and see you next time.